Welcome to Section 1. Introduction. Project integration management is the careful meshing of all the pieces of a project. It's about making sure everything works together smoothly and efficiently. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra, ensuring each instrument plays its part harmoniously to create a beautiful symphony. Just as a conductor brings together different musicians, project integration management ties together various project elements to produce a successful outcome. In the world of project management, the Project Management Body of Knowledge, or PMBOK Guide, is the ultimate rulebook. It defines project integration management as a core process group involving coordinating all aspects of a project. This includes processes and activities needed to identify, define, combine, unify, and coordinate the various processes and project management activities within the project management process groups. In essence, it's the glue that holds the project together. Why is it so crucial? Projects are complex beasts with many moving parts. Without proper integration, these parts can clash, leading to confusion, delays, and ultimately, project failure. Project integration management provides the framework for coordinating all aspects of the project, ensuring everyone is on the same page and working towards a common goal. It's about aligning objectives, resources, and efforts to achieve the desired outcome. Effective project integration management is essential for keeping projects on track, within budget, and delivered on time. It's the foundation for successful project delivery, minimizing risks, and maximizing the chances of achieving project objectives. In the following sections, we'll delve into the key components of project integration management, exploring how they contribute to project success. Now, let's move on to Section 2, the Project Charter. The Project Charter is the official green light for your project. It's a document that formally authorizes the project and gives the project manager the authority to use organizational resources to complete the project work. Think of it as the project's birth certificate, marking its official beginning. This document outlines the project's purpose and justifies its existence. It defines the project scope at a high level, identifies the project manager and their responsibilities, and outlines the overall project objectives. The project charter is crucial because it provides a clear understanding of the project's goals and sets the stage for developing a comprehensive plan. Imagine you're building a house. The project charter is like the architectural blueprint, outlining the basic structure and purpose of the house. It defines what type of house it will be, its size, and its intended use. Without this blueprint, the builders wouldn't know what they're building, leading to chaos and an unusable final product. Similarly, a project without a charter lacks direction and purpose. The project charter serves as a reference point throughout the project lifecycle, ensuring everyone involved understands the project's goals and their role in achieving them. It's a vital document that sets the foundation for effective project management. Moving forward to Section 3, the Project Management Plan. The Project Management Plan is your roadmap to project success. It's a comprehensive document outlining how the project will be executed, monitored, controlled, and closed. Think of it as the project's instruction manual, detailing every step from initiation to completion. This plan integrates and consolidates all subsidiary plans and baselines, covering aspects like scope, schedule, cost, quality, resources, communication, risk, and procurement. It provides a detailed roadmap for executing the project, outlining timelines, deliverables, resource allocation, and risk mitigation strategies. The project management plan is essential because it provides a clear and unified vision for the entire project team. Imagine you're going on a road trip. The project management plan is like your detailed itinerary, outlining the route, destinations, stops, and estimated travel time. Without this itinerary, you'd be driving aimlessly, unsure of where you're going or how long it will take. Similarly, a project without a solid plan lacks direction and coordination. The project management plan acts as a central reference point, ensuring everyone involved understands the tasks, timelines, and responsibilities involved in achieving project success. It's a vital document that provides structure and clarity throughout the project lifecycle. Lastly, let's explore Section 4, Direct and Manage Project Work. Direct and manage project work is where the rubber meets the road. This process involves putting the project management plan into action, leading and managing the project team to complete the work defined in the plan. Think of it as the actual construction phase of our house analogy. where the builders follow the blueprint to erect the structure. This process involves guiding, supervising, and coordinating the project team to execute the project work. It includes tasks like assigning responsibilities, providing direction, managing resources, tracking progress, and resolving issues that arise. Effective leadership is crucial during this phase to ensure the project stays on track and within budget. Imagine you're conducting an orchestra. Direct and manage project work is like the conductor leading the musicians through the performance. The conductor guides the tempo, ensures each instrument plays its part correctly, and resolves any issues that arise during the performance. Similarly, the project manager acts as the conductor, leading the project team through the execution phase. They ensure tasks are completed efficiently, resources are used effectively, and any roadblocks are addressed promptly. This process is the heart of project execution, bringing the project plan to life. Monitor and control project work is all about keeping your project on track. This process involves tracking, reviewing, and regulating the project's progress to meet performance objectives defined in the plan. Think of it as the quality control inspector, ensuring the house is being built according to the blueprint's specifications. This process involves regularly measuring project performance against the plan, identifying any variances, and taking corrective actions to address them. It includes tasks like tracking progress, managing changes, conducting quality checks, and assessing risks. Effective monitoring and control are crucial to keep the project aligned with its objectives. Imagine you're baking a cake. Monitor and control project. Work is like checking the cake periodically while it's baking, ensuring it's cooked through, adjusting the temperature if needed, and making sure it doesn't burn. Similarly, the project manager acts as the baker, monitoring the project's progress, identifying any deviations from the plan, and taking corrective actions to keep it on track. This process ensures the project meets its objectives and delivers the desired outcomes. It's about staying vigilant and proactive throughout the project lifecycle. The integrated change control process is about managing change effectively. Projects rarely go exactly according to plan, and changes are inevitable. This process provides a structured approach to manage changes throughout the project lifecycle, ensuring they are evaluated, approved, and implemented in a controlled manner. Think of it as the amendment process for the house blueprint, allowing for modifications while maintaining the overall integrity of the design. This process involves identifying, documenting, evaluating, approving, and implementing changes to the project. It includes establishing a change control board to review and approve change requests, ensuring changes are aligned with project objectives and don't negatively impact the project's success. Effective change control is crucial to minimize disruptions and maintain project stability. Imagine you're writing a book. The integrated change control process is like the editing process, allowing for revisions and improvements while maintaining the book's core message and structure. Similarly, the project manager and change control board act as editors, carefully evaluating and approving changes to the project plan, ensuring they are beneficial and don't derail the project's overall goals. This process ensures changes are managed effectively, minimizing their impact and maximizing the project's chances of success. Closing the project is the final step in the project lifecycle. It involves formally completing the project or a project phase, ensuring all work is finished, deliverables are accepted, and project documentation is archived. Think of it as the final walkthrough of the completed house, ensuring everything is in order before handing over the keys to the homeowner. This process involves finalizing all activities across all process groups, signifying the completion of the project or a project phase. It includes tasks like obtaining client sign-off on deliverables, documenting lessons learned, archiving project documentation, and releasing resources. Proper project closure is essential to ensure a smooth transition and capture valuable knowledge for future projects. Imagine you're finishing a painting. Closing the project is like signing your name on the completed artwork, signifying its completion and readiness for display. Similarly, the project manager acts as the artist, finalizing all project activities, obtaining client acceptance, and documenting project outcomes. This process marks the official end of the project, ensuring a clean and organized completion, leaving a legacy of valuable insights for future endeavors. Strong leadership is the backbone of successful project integration management. The project manager plays a crucial role in unifying the team, motivating members, and driving the project towards its objectives. They act as the conductor, the director, the baker, the editor, and the artist, guiding the project through each phase and ensuring its successful completion. Effective leadership involves clear communication, decisiveness, problem-solving skills, and the ability to inspire and motivate the project team. A strong leader sets the tone for the project, fostering a collaborative and productive environment where everyone feels valued and empowered to contribute their best. Imagine a ship without a captain. It would drift aimlessly, vulnerable to storms and unable to reach its destination. Similarly, a project without strong leadership lacks direction and coordination, increasing the risk of failure. The project manager's leadership is the compass that guides the project towards success. Effective communication is the lifeblood of project integration management. It ensures everyone is on the same page, informed about progress, and aware of their responsibilities. Clear and consistent communication minimizes misunderstandings, facilitates collaboration, and keeps the project moving smoothly. Effective communication involves utilizing various channels like meetings, emails, reports, and online platforms to share information and updates. It's about establishing clear communication protocols, ensuring everyone knows who to contact for what, and fostering a culture of open and transparent communication. Imagine a football team without communication. Players wouldn't know where to go, leading to chaos and missed opportunities. Similarly, a project without effective communication suffers from misaligned efforts, missed deadlines, and ultimately, project failure. Clear and consistent communication is the glue that binds the project team together, ensuring everyone works in sync towards a common goal. Mastering project integration. Management is about weaving together all aspects of a project into a cohesive and successful tapestry. It's about ensuring every thread, from the project charter to the closing process, is aligned and contributes to achieving project objectives. This requires a strong leader, effective communication, and a commitment to following the principles outlined in the PMBOK guide. By understanding and implementing the key components of project integration management, project managers can minimize risks, maximize efficiency, and steer their projects towards successful completion. It's about creating a symphony of coordinated efforts, where every instrument plays its part harmoniously to achieve a beautiful outcome. Just as a conductor guides an orchestra to create a masterpiece, effective project integration management leads projects to achieve their full potential.